Welcome to Bruce channel. Good morning, afternoon, evening, whatever time you're watching this. I'm going to share an idea to you today again. Well, COVID-19 a lot of problems and people will aware on that, make a lot of face mask, face shield with 3D printing this or with acrylic, with a lot of method. Today if you are at home like me, you're not going anywhere and you're run out of filament but you found out you don't have one with you and you want to go out to buy food, so try to get one. As long as you can get a PVC plastic sheet or whatever, like 100 plus bottles someone cut in half and put on a mask. Yeah, this is the idea. But if you like me wearing glasses, where's my glasses? This is what. Yeah, if you like me wearing the glasses, you can make a very simple shield like this. How simple it is? Well, you see I'm using the A4 paper but not a plastic sheet because my order plastic sheet is not arrived yet, any of them, so I better take it out first. So the idea is very simple. I don't have to teach you how to do it, just look at it. 1 clip, 2 clip, okay? 4 clip at home. If normally you will keep all this, I don't know, maybe some of you might keep this, but whoever who already have this is the possibility is more higher than 3D printer, right? If not everyone has 3D printer at home, but this clip is probably have. Any way you can clip the paper on or plastic sheet on, that is fine, but after use it, take it away. So it won't fall, and of course this A4 paper a little bit soft, but if you need it, yeah, take away. It's for free. Don't have to 3D print. Don't have to use fine spun or something because you are wearing glasses. The glass is on your face always, and you won't need to clean it up anyway. So okay, just one thing on top. Simple, right? Okay, I'm not repeating myself again. I think you get the ideas. I'm just sharing this idea. If you think this idea is good for you, give me a thumb up. If you're not, give me a thumb down. No need to argue. I just want to know what happened. And if you want to see next, give me a subscribe and hit the bell. See you next video. Bye.